Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to display barcode Wi-Fi on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the settings first, of course, and then in the settings page you just have to go to the network and internet. And after here you just have to click this Wi-Fi option and make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected, yeah guys. If you wanna display the barcode Wi-Fi, you just have to go to this settings icon beside the Wi-Fi that you connected. Here I'm gonna tap on it. We'll see here the share option. To display the barcode, tap on this share icon. And this is the barcode from the Wi-Fi, yeah guys. If you wanna use this Wi-Fi from another phone, you just have to scan this barcode and it will be automatically connected to that phone. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.